Ma'am, கவனிங்க ஓடிபி நம்பர் மட்டும் அனுப்பி இந்த மாதிரி வந்தது. சரி, விண்டோஸ் ஆர் வின்வர்ட், விண்டோஸ் ஆர் வின்வர்ட், listen. Windows are windward. Windward. Yes. Now, we have gone to design menu completed. Maybe layout menu. Design menu has been completed. We go to layout menu now. Layout menu is very easy. We have already been using layout menu because what is the first thing? Page setup. Layout, post, page setup. Alt P S P is the shortcut for page setup. Page setup. You can access page setup through this button also. Through this button, you can access Alt P S P. The same display will be available. We know how to set the margins, how to set the page size, how to make the mirror margins or any other option to work. Wait. It should be loading. Okay. You know how to set the margins? Multiple pages, multiple page options is available here. Paper, A4 legal or any other paper size is available. Then borders, under layout, we know how to set the borders and other things. Done. These are individually available under margins. You can set margin alone using this or custom margins. Custom margins will open the same page. Then orientation alone here. Instead of Alt P S P, instead of using Alt P S P for setting all the options, you can go for individual options. Margins alone, layout alone, paper size alone. This will set paper size alone, and this will set number of columns alone. Okay. Then line break, page break, and other things are also available under the same tab. Then we go to indent. Indent means it's under 0 indent. I increase the indent. Just look at the cursor. The cursor keeps moving because indent is the left margin, extra left margin we offer for the first line of a paragraph. When we start a paragraph, we normally offer some indentation to denote that new paragraph is starting. Okay. Therefore, how much of an indent is needed? That is the indent option. You can increase the indent or decrease the indent. Whereas we normally do not set right indent. We set only the left side indent. Right side indentation is not needed for us. Then spacing. Spacing is the space we leave before a paragraph and after a paragraph. When we press enter and go to the new paragraph, we normally may face some problems when two paragraphs are adjacent. I'll insert some fictitious paragraphs equals random 4,2. Whereas random works only when we type it on the leftmost margin. Now it will work. And the cursor should be at the end of the line. Oh. Why? Rand equals rand 4,2. Okay. 4 paragraphs, 2 sentences. Just you look at this. I select all these. Then I say after becomes 0. You just look at the changes. You just look at the changes happening. When I say the after margin should be 0 and then I increase the after margin, see what happens. You can increase the space after the paragraph or decrease it. And then before the paragraph, you can increase the space before the paragraph or after the paragraph. Then done. Under this paragraph option, we have, where is the paragraph? Paragraph option has got left. Wait. We will say some left indent. You just take a look at this. What happens to the paragraphs? You simply look at the paragraphs. What's happening? You can increase or decrease the left side indentation. That is, in addition to the margin, you will leave some extra space on the left side. If you wish to leave some space on the right side, you can increase the right indent. Normally, we never use right indentation. If at all we need, we may use only the left indentation. Done. Then selection pane. You just take a look at this. This is selection pane. This displays whatever relevant options we may get. Show all. Nothing. Okay. We may control F. This is text panel. This is selection panel. We may, what is it? We may get some options based on our action. Maybe you go to insert a shape, then look at the selection pane. What happens? It display the properties, because whatever relevant actions we have, those will be displayed in the selection pane. When we select an object, you just take a look at this. Text box 1. For normal text, it does not display anything. Whereas when we insert a text box, we get the text box 1 option. Then we may show it or hide it. When the eye is clicked, it may hide the text box, show it. Then we may choose to display the properties of the text box. Okay, this is whatever we select other than text is displayed under the selection pane. Then we go to layout menu, and the last things are relating to alignment. Align left, align center, align right. We will select all the paragraphs and choose different alignment options. Select everything, Control A, then align, align page, align margin, view grinding, align to page. Okay, whereas these alignments relate to, you just take a look at this. These alignments are not meant for individual paragraph. These are meant for the entire page. Better controls are available here. You go here, you just go to page menu, and then vertical alignment. We will have vertical alignment under top. Instead of top, you may choose center or bottom, and the layout will change. The page layout will change. You just take a look at the page. I press enter. I go to a new page. You come to the second page, and the paragraph will be available at the very end. Now I start typing each line. You just take a look at this. Each line makes the paragraph to move upwards. Normally, we are used to the paragraph moving downwards. This is reverse option. When we choose bottom alignment, the pages will move upwards instead of moving downwards. The paper will start from the bottom, go towards the top. Some languages have to be written from the end, last page. They start writing from the last page and the bottom. And they will start writing from the last page and complete in the first page. First page we normally conceive as the first page. They will start at the end page. They will keep writing upwards, and then they will go to the first page. This option is available under the bottom alignment tab. And those languages are called right to left languages. Right to left. They start writing from right and then go towards the left side. Okay. We don't use selection, and then we need not bother about the alignment. This alignment will go along with this page. Layout has got very few options. What are they? Page setup, paragraph, arrange. You may bring something up or down. You have this object. You may make it to position, wrap text, title, top and bottom, in front of text, in line with text, in front of text, top and bottom, behind text, in front of text. If you choose in front of text, you can move it anywhere. You already know this. You have used it in Used it in what? Designing certificates. Designing certificates. You have inserted a text box. You said it should be in front of text, and then you have removed the fill. No fill. You have chosen no fill option. No borders. No line against borders. All these are available under this menu also. Whereas we have been using right click and context menu for wrap text and other works. Till now we have been right clicking and using this, whereas these are available under menu also. Bring forward, bring backward. These are meant for relative positioning. You may bring it one level upwards, one level downwards, whereas these are not so useful, especially in MS Word. Whereas in programs like Photoshop, JMP, this option may be more useful. We don't need all these options in MS Word for ordinary works. Done. And you may choose to rotate this object. Any object can be rotated by 90 degree or flip vertical, flip horizontal, and other angle options. You may choose to rotate the object by any amount of angle. Where is the angle? 90 degree. Instead of 90 degree, you choose some other angle. You go back and look that the object is rotated at some awkward angle. You may choose to rotate any object in the specified angular value. Done. With this, we come to the end of layout menu. What are the items covered under layout menu? Page setup, paragraph, alignment, and then some extra options for align, rotate, and other things. All these are known to us. Position, wrap text, all these are known to us. Whereas we have seen that paragraph page alignment is possible and rotation is possible. These are available under the layout menu. Done. With this, we close layout menu. References, mailings, review, view, format. Under this, references will take some time, and review will take some time because these have not been extensively covered till now. Mailings will be easy, view is very easy. Format, we already know how to handle format. We'll simply browse through all those things fast. Done. With this, we close theory. We'll go to practice.